Look at this right here. It's a yakiniku vending machine. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out today. See how it is. There's a few different kinds here. We're gonna just get the, I guess the set right there with 3 different kinds of meat. We'll go ahead and get that. All right, so let's go try it. We're gonna go ahead and push number 5. Number 5. Okay. Let's go ahead and put the money in. 1. It's not going in, guys. I don't know, guys. It's not going in. Okay, guys, it's not going in. Let's see what that do. We're gonna get the 3 set. Fine, oh,出てこない。Oh, it's fine. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, snap. It came out just like this. So, we're gonna go ahead and go home and try this out. Yeah, vending machine. It's pretty dope. So we got that one right there with all 3 of them. So this is a kimchi vending machine. Sheesh, there it is. こっちから買おうよ。面白い。Which one? This one? Good. Oh no. Which one's kimchi? Kimchi? Get 1,000 yen. 800 yen one. Oh, these even got energy drinks up in here. Oh, it came out. Oh, it's like a, oh, and this is like the store from the vending machine. So, alright guys, here's the kimchi we got from yesterday. There it is. We're gonna go ahead and open this up for today's dinner. Ooh, it's stuck in there. Look at that. And coming out, there's so much in there. Okay, so we'll be opening that up. We'll cut that thing open. And we will be putting it in. Let's see this thing real quick. Ooh, you can smell it. Sheesh. Alright. Go ahead and dump it in. Okay, look at that. Some kimchi balled up. We're gonna go ahead and put it apart. Okay, that's some solid looking kimchi. We'll find out in a minute after we open the yakiniku and fire up the grill. So stay tuned, guys. And this is the kimchi, what it's called. And I got it over at Keikyu Kawasaki Station in the vending machine. So these vending machines are pretty dope. So there goes the kimchi that we got from the vending machine we just opened. And this is the meat we bought from the store. With the rate now, this probably costs under $20. So that's that. And we cut up some vegetables, and there goes some beers. Let's go ahead and say Kampai for the beer. There we go. And here goes the meat that we bought yesterday from the vending machine. It's a yakiniku. So we're gonna see what's in here. It was like the three-piece meat thing. Forgot what was in here. We're gonna take a look at that. Ooh, I do not know what it's supposed to look like, but that's gyu harami. This is roast, and this is kuro giwa gyu karubi. So this is supposed to be some good stuff, but it don't look too good. To be honest with you, it look kind of weird. Maybe we when we were walking around, it kind of melted. So we'll see how it goes. All right, everything's out the pack. We are gonna go ahead and throw it on the paper towel real quick. All right, that's all of it. 3 pieces a piece. It's pretty expensive, man, to be honest with you. I mean, with the rate, it's probably like 15 or under 15, but this is under 20. This was 25, and this is 18. We'll see. We'll see how it tastes in a minute, guys. All right, I think this thing is heated up enough to put this thing we got from the vending machine to the test. So this looks kind of funny. So we're gonna go ahead and put that one on there first. Cause it do look funny, look. We got the tongue going. What else? Let's put this one on there too. Put another one, cause we need pieces. Leave it on about a minute or two on each side. Let's see how that goes. Be back in a second. All right, guys, I think it's starting to get ready. Let's put this thing one more time to be sure. I think it is ready to be eaten, guys. Boom. Put that in there for us.
Thank you.
Boom. And put the kimchi. Boom. And put the boom. And we're gonna go ahead. Boom. And we will see how this vending machine yakiniku tastes like. We're gonna see. This isn't even the best meat out of there, but let's taste it. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. Let's go ahead and taste this kimchi with it. You know what? For something that came out of a vending machine, I must say, it's pretty good, guys. We are frying up the last of the vending machine yakiniku. These 3 on the end are I guess the most expensive ones. So I am going to try the one that's supposed to be like the best one. Let me go ahead and look at this. Ooh, it looks so good. What you know about that?
Hey, boss? I'm not your boss. Right now, it sure feels like it. When did you have the cap cleaned? I got it that way from dispatch. I mean, before beforehand. It was my first. He's looking over his shoulder.
What was that? Goes good with the kimchi?
Detailed, then he relaxed. Maybe I just thought he was. See how he was dead.
Now I gotta get you one of these.
Hi, man.
Hot plate.
Yes, I am certain they are dead. Oh, no, I wouldn't have allowed it.
Speak with David Brown.
If you wish to send a sympathy card, I am sure it would be
That's the
very
one we got from the store. It was great. Ate some. We got the tongue and the cow tongue. I don't know nothing about that. I appreciate y'all watching today. Thank you very much. And yeah, if you enjoy these videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more vending machine videos and all kind of funny stuff I find out here while I'm living out here. So yeah. All right, guys. See you next time. Peace.